I wonder what it's like to feel these days, just like everyone else. I see a picture of your face and hear how softly my heart melts. I wonder what it's like to live inside a voidless universe where I'd see fragments of your face and grace and not feel all this hurt because you'd wait for me in corners branched with thoughts where yours are mine, tucked away in drawers and secret courtyards, hidden from the ends of time. Because you wait under these sun-kissed trees, a new page for our book to capture. And we'll leave it in the other universe's void, frozen on our final chapter, where I'll know just what it's like to write you letters that I can send, where my love is no longer the kind of currency that I don't know how to spend.